So Facebook ads are great for brand awareness campaigns. You can introduce your business to potential prospects and make people aware that your product or service exists. I know that a lot of clients have video ads that they want to run for their awareness campaigns, and video is a great way to start with your cold audience who's not familiar with your business yet. And another big plus to running video ads for a cold audience is that you can then create segments of that audience who watched 50% or more of your video, and you can retarget them later further down into the sales funnel. So it shows that they were engaged with the content and interested in learning more. So they can be a great tool for reaching people at each stage in the funnel. So I definitely suggest video ads initially. Another great way to generate traffic and increase your brand awareness with Facebook ads is to send people to maybe a blog article on your website. You can just use a website traffic campaign for that. And then you can also retarget visitors to your blog who, just for example, maybe they stayed on the blog for 1 or 2 minutes or longer, because that can indicate that they were interested in the content that you were sharing, and they could be a good quality lead for you further down into the funnel. So I definitely want to share a few options and show, advertisers that are using this strategy for Facebook campaigns. And I will share my screen here. We're going to dive into the Facebook ads library to take a look at what advertisers are doing right now. Okay, so yeah, all right, you should be able to see that. So right now I have attorney ads pulled up. And honestly, awareness campaigns are pretty much good for any niche or industry. And you can see almost immediately here, we have a video ad here. So this is an example of an awareness ad. It has a learn more call to action button on it. And it's telling a story. Somebody done somebody wrong. So you can watch this video, learn more about case studies that this particular attorney has and the different types of cases he handles. He's trying to promote that he does free consultations and to basically get people to reach out that are not familiar with him. And then if we look at just like, I don't know, for example, we can pull up something else completely different. Let's just say that we're shopping for clothes or something. If somebody mentions clothes in their ads, here's a clothes outdoor, which they may or may not be running awareness ads. I should probably have searched just by a keyword. Yep, they're not running ads. That's fine. I'll just search by the keyword. And I have to wait for my internet to catch up with me. Okay, so fun reading. All right, so it looks like Love Story City. I'm not sure how close. I'm not sure how the keyword close pulled these ads up, but these are, again, looks like a video ad. And this is an example of an awareness campaign. They're trying to reel people in with the story with a learn more call to action. These are all the same advertiser, which is interesting. But yeah, it looks like all of these are awareness ads. So these are good examples. And then you can also, let me search for something different here. let's just look for an agency ad and see what an agency might be running now. My computer is operating at a very slow pace right now. Okay. So here is another example of an awareness ad. With a learn more call to action. And yet again, here's another video ad. So all of these are awareness campaigns, affordable insurance. You can click on the learn more call to action. And then you can also have a page likes campaign, which is another another option. If you want it to get more likes on your business page, you can run a page likes campaign, and that's also kind of like a cold audience approach, which could generate more awareness for your brand and drive people to your Facebook page. So you can see that here for another insurance agent ad. They're driving people to like their page. But yeah, there's all kinds of different approaches that you could do with your video content. You can tell a story about how you started your business. You could tell a a heartfelt story about one of your, case studies or people that you've served in the past. You can, promote your product and let people learn about the features of your product. But we always suggest to not ask for a buy on a cold campaign. Like, you just want to invite them to learn more about it and to get familiar with your product or service versus asking them to go and purchase it immediately. But yeah, I hope that helps.